Today we will learn statistics class 10th chapter. Okay, so this is what here data. There are two types of data here, grouped data and ungrouped data. So we know that as we studied in 9th standard, measures of central tendency, namely mean, mode and median. For ungrouped data we have found mean, mode, median in 9th standard. Now we will study about group data in 10th standard. Okay, so here first we will find mean. So to find mean there are three methods. To find mean there are three methods. First one is direct method. Second one is assumed mean method. Or you can say that shortcut method also for this one. Okay, and third one is step deviation method. Okay, so one by one we will study. Okay, so before that I want to say what is class mark. Okay, so class mark is nothing but the addition of upper class limit plus lower class limit, that is upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by what? 2. For example, class interval is given like this. What is that? 10 to 25. If it is given like this, 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, then how to find the class mark? Class mark is nothing but what? Midpoint. Okay, it is assumed that the frequency of each class interval is centered around its midpoint. So how to make this one? This is your upper limit, this is your upper limit, this is your lower limit. Left hand side lower limit, right hand side upper limit. Okay, so add these two. 10 plus 25 divided by 2, which is equal to, what is this? 20 plus 30, 35 divided by 2, which is equal to what? 17.5. Like that we need to find the class mark or midpoint of the class interval. These are the class intervals. Okay, so for this class interval, lower limit is 25, upper limit is 40. So it is 25 plus 40 divided by 2, which is nothing but what? 65 divided by 2, which is nothing but what? 32.5. Like that we need to find. Okay, now I think you got how to find the class mark of the given class interval. Okay, now first we will learn how to find the mean by direct method. First one what? First one, direct method. We will learn that one. Okay, now we will study about a direct method. One example. So here formula is given, mean is equal to summation fi xi divided by summation fi. Okay, so class interval and number of students is given here in the question. So find the mean of the following data by direct method. So class interval is given 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55 and so on, 85 to 100, and number of students is given 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6, and total summation of this frequency, summation of fi means sum of these are 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 30. It is given. Now we need to find the mean. To find the mean, fi is there. Now we don't know here fi xi, correct? So we need to find fi xi also, and what is xi we don't know. Okay, so this is the given question. So we have to make another two columns like this extra for this is the question. Okay, another extra column is you can take here is as a class mark. You can take, what is that? Class mark, and class mark is denoted by xi, and now you can take summation fi xi you can write. Okay, so class mark, I told how to find the class mark of the here. So class mark is denoted by xi. How to find this one? 10 plus 25 divided by 2, what is that? 17.5. Similarly here also 25 plus 40 divided by 2, which is equal to if you divide this one, 32.5 you will get. So and so on, 40 plus 55 and divided by 2, if you make here it will get 47.5, here you will get 62.5, here you will get 77.5, and here you will get 92.5. You can make it like this, we will get. Okay, now summation fi xi means product of fi and xi. This is fi, correct? This is fi and this is xi, multiplication of these two product, so 2 into 17.5, what is that? 2 into 17.5, which is equal to what? 35. Okay, similarly you multiply 3 into 32.5 is 97.5. so next 47.5 into 7 is 332.5. okay, so similarly next if you multiply 6 into 62.5, you will get what? 375.0 you can take, or here also 30.0 you can take. okay, or only 375 you can write here. Next one will be 465, next one will be 555. okay, 0.0. if you write 0.0, okay, otherwise don't write. okay, so here 6 into 77.5, you got this much, okay. Now summation of fi xi is equal to what? You have to add this one, 35 plus 97.5 plus 332.5 plus 375 plus 465 plus 555. so you will get what? 1860 you will get. okay, after getting this one, it is we know the formula, x bar is equal to, mean is denoted by what? X bar, which is equal to summation fi xi, we don't know, divided by we know, and summation fi. so this will be summation fi xi is 1860, it is given here, so divided by summation fi is 30 here. so this 0 get cancels, so what is remaining here? 186 divided by 3. 186 divided by 3, if you divide this one, you will get what? 62. so what is the mean here? Mean of the given data is 62. like that you can find for all the following data by the direct method in this way. okay, so this is how we are finding.